This video is about how to make money with your Discord server. Now, the simplest way to earn with your Discord server is to ask for donations from your members. And with good content, you can just ask your members to support you by giving you tips. And you can also fundraise if you can convince your members to contribute. And if you have a good following, you can instead sell your own products or services. And you can sell both physical and digital products. But you can also sell your premium content or even offer subscriptions for members to access your exclusive content, especially on Nitro. In addition, you can sell other people's products or services through your Discord server. And with a good number of members, you can approach people or businesses to help them sell, market, or advertise the items for a fee. Moreover, you can earn on Discord through affiliate marketing, and you just need to sign up for an affiliate program that has products or services that do well on Discord, like apps and games. And after that, you can sell the items on your server to earn a commission. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Discord and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.